Sa medicine, sa PLM. Tapos yun dun sa part na yun, sa may kakahuyan, dun yung cancer center na gagawin ni Congressman Erwin Cheng. Yun ang corner ng Rojas Boulevard tsaka Quirino. Ito gagawin na PLM College of Medicine. Ayan, yan yung lumang hospital ng Maynila.
Nakita mo yung kanto? Dulo. Yung green, yung rampa, tsaka yung puti. O yan ang bagong pamantasan lungsod ng Maynila College of Medicine.
Lawak.
Ganun kalawak yan. Tapos yung cancer center doon naman sa kanto.
So, kailan sisimulan yung
Hopefully, cross finger, nagsusubi na ako ng pera. By first quarter of next year, groundbreaking. Hopefully. Tapos next week, doon tayo magkikita-kita. Bubuksan natin yung panibago, additional na dialysis center, yung puting building na yun. Eh bago tayo yung mga makina doon. Bubuksan na natin yun next week. Meron tayo natin makina dyan, na lang, 4 na lang ang gumagana eh. May bago tayo yung dumating. So madadagdagan.
Yung pala sa
yung blue yung ano?
Yung white. No, blue is, yan? Navy yan. Ito.
Palang papalitan mo yun.
Papalitan ng Navy.
Puti, yellow.
Puti. Sa baba. Sa baba.
Ito.
next week agad.
Yes. Kasi ito yung hospital. Yan yung dating hospital. Built by Lacson and Villegas. Ano na yan? Luman-luma na yan.
Sir, libre daw.
Ha? Libre. Ay, ang PLM, college. Meron naman kasi silang natatanggap ng Unifast. I don't know kung meron mang mini-skill fee. Di ba? Isang doktor, mga 10. Ayan. Ayan ang namin, share namin sa national government, sa nation building. To produce more doctors and nurses and other allied services.
Ang Manileño lang ba yan? Hindi.
PLM?
Yung ano po, yung cat-lab.
Hindi nga kahit sino. Kasi nga ano yan under the Universal Healthcare Law, bawal tumakbo. Siyempre, priority ko Manila yun. But, kung wala naman tayong pasyente, at may isang pasyente, life is life. Hi sa lahat ng bumubuo at miyembro ng God First Vloggers. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta sa akin. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Ingat! God first!
For doctors, nurses, and all other things under the medical field. Now, I have a dream. The same dream that you have. It is very inspiring that our teachers, the dean, and the school in that institution been producing quality top-notch graduates. So that's why before I left in 2022 as your city mayor, I created a path by law and by funding before I left to create a separate facility dedicated only for allied health or sciences. Mas madali kumahan yung position, medical school. PLM makeup, they are only accepting about 300 individuals because of lack of space. And under the law, pamantasan lungsod ng Maynila, hindi pwedeng itaas ang building inside Intramuros. So, delayed out na lahat. And unfortunately, it was not continued. Now, graduates, parents, maybe your friends, maybe your brothers, later on, or whoever is listening, your city government, resume my old dream. It's going to be my present dream for the people of Manila. By first quarter of this year, coming year, I will deliver to you the groundbreaking of the Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila College of Medicine sa tabi ng bagong ospital ng Maynila. So sanay, magkatoro tayo, magka-channel tayo. Your goal as a private institution, non-profit institution and organization, our goal as government, from 300, now your city government will now participate in nation building. Just imagine, local government lang can be part of the nation building approach, which is producing more medical professionals. From 300, we can now accommodate 5,000 students across. Kaya pagka may ikot-ikot ako sa mga paaralan, ngayon, pasensya na kayo, nahuli ako, I don't mean to, because I made a commitment to build something in that school which I promised 2 months, and it did. Sabi ko, bago magpasko, sigurado tapos siya. Kaya nangyari naman kanina, na-deliver sa kanila. So, but anyway, going back, so that's 5,000, and you're gonna pay for it. You taxpayer. So, when I say that, ibig sabihin, pipilitin ko in my own little way that every single cent that you're going to give to the city of Manila will be spent wisely, efficiently, and it has product. Kumbaga sa halamanan o sa protasan, yung itinanim ninyo, siya namang didiligan ko, at ang bunga ay kapakinabangan ng pangkalahatan. That's the way it is. And that's the way it is. It's going to be as long as I'm here. No more lonely nights. I will not leave you. I'll stay for the next 10 years of our lives. If you will. Alam mo, kung isa, siyempre, pagka meron kang tinitraining, minsan, kala mo natuto na eh. Pero minsan, kailangan minsan pang i-polish. But, for now, as long as you want to hear this, if you believe in this concept of governance, or what you call MBM.
May bayad ba subscription? Wala, di ba? Click the button, subscribe, then click all.